Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys with friends. First, it's important to know that Fall Guys does not support local split screen or couch co-op on PlayStation 5 or any other platform. The game is designed exclusively for online multiplayer, allowing up to 60 players to compete simultaneously. To play with friends, each person needs their own console and a separate copy of the game. You can then form an online party with up to 4 friends to join the same show. Once you've launched Fall Guys, head to the main menu. You'll find an option to create or join a party. Simply select this, and you can invite up to 3 of your PlayStation friends to join you. This creates a private lobby where you can all queue for games together. Remember, a stable internet connection for everyone ensures the best experience as you tumble through the rounds. One fantastic feature of Fall Guys is its full cross-platform support. This means you can easily play with friends regardless of whether they are on PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, or PC. Just use the in-game Invite Players menu to send invites through your Epic Games friends list. This opens up a world of possibilities, letting you team up with a much broader group of friends for some chaotic fun. Fall Guys offers a delightful variety of game modes, from frantic races to tricky survival challenges and cooperative team games. Your main objective is to qualify through several rounds, typically 5 or 6, to reach the grand finale. In the final round, the last bean standing or the victorious team earns the coveted crown. It's all about skill, a little luck, and a lot of laughs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.